very quick recipe which you can eat with your breakfast, especially idli, dosa, and chapati. So it goes very well with these breakfast recipes. So it's none other than spicy tomato gravy, or in Tamil they will call it as takkali tokku. So I've just taken a pan. In that I've added 2 tablespoons of oil here. So it's up to your choice. You can add any oil of your choice. So I've just added refined oil. So to that I've added 1 spoon of urad dal and 1 spoon of mustard seeds. So let them pop and turn brown in color. So to this, I'm going to add about 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions and a few garlics that are finely chopped. So and stir them really well. So I'm just going to add a little salt and cover the lid and cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the onions are softened. So now the onions are cooked. So I'm just going to add in the powder masala, starting off with 1 spoon of Kashmiri chili powder and half spoon of turmeric powder. And make sure to keep the flame on sim or low, and a spoon of cumin powder and half spoon of pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and again half spoon of plain chili powder, so to get that hint of spiciness, because Kashmiri chili powder gives you a nice color and flavor to the dish, and it's not that much spice when compared to other chili powder. And stir them for a minute and add about 3 blended medium sized tomatoes and stir them really well. And at this stage you can add about a glass of water or half a cup of water. It's up to your choice, because if you want if you want gravy, you can add more water. So before adding the water, I'm just adding the curry leaves and the green chilies. So I'm just adding few curry leaves and 4 slitted green chilies, and now followed by the water. This is about half cup of water. So if you want to add more water, you can definitely add it. And give it a good stir, and I'm going to cook this about 10 minutes on medium flame. So you can very well stir in between within 5 minutes. So after that I added required salt for the gravy, and yes, the delicious takali tokku in Tamil they will call, or spicy tomato gravy is absolutely ready. So you can very well garnish with finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. So if you like this recipe, then give me a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in my next video. Until then, stay happy.